The set of all ordered pairs is called the Cartesian product denoted as A comma B. If A and B are null set, A cross B is also null set. If A and B are not null set, then A cross B is also not a null set. All the elements of the set which are in U but not in B, that is called the complement of B. A cross B cross C can also be written as A comma B comma C for all A belongs to A, B belongs to B and C belongs to C. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to take very important concept of the second chapter, that is relations and functions. Now in the previous class we have discussed regarding the sets. Now in this session I am going to take regarding relations. Now before going to the relations, let us know regarding what is an ordered pair. Ordered pair. Suppose if A is contained in A and B is also contained in B, if A is contained in set A and B is contained in set B, or if A belongs to A and another element B belongs to B. So if A is in A and B is in B, if A belongs to A and B belongs to B, then the ordered pair of the element A and B is denoted as A comma B. So A comma B is called the ordered pair, in which A first member is an element of A and second member is an element of B. So that is A is the first element and B is the second element. That means the first member is an element of A and the second element or second member is an element of B. So this is called an ordered pair. So A comma B is called an ordered pair. X comma Y is also called an ordered pair, where X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. Now two ordered pairs are said to be equal if and only if they are their corresponding elements, that is equality of ordered pair. Two ordered pairs AB and CD are said to be equal if and only if A is equal to C and B is equal to D. That is A comma B is equal to C comma D if and only if first element A is equal to C and the second element B is also equal to second element B comma D. Then these two ordered pairs are said to be equal. Now let us come to the Cartesian product. This is very important concept. By knowing the ordered pair, let us know regarding the Cartesian product. So Cartesian product of two sets A and B is denoted as A cross B. A cross B is called the Cartesian product of two sets A and B is the set of all ordered pairs A comma B. The set of all ordered pairs is called the Cartesian product denoted as A comma B, where A comma B for all A belongs to A and B belongs to B. That means first element is an element of set A and second element is an element of set B. So therefore the set of ordered pairs is denoted as A cross B is equal to a set A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. The set of ordered pair is denoted as A comma B, where for all A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Now let us take for example, if A is equal to AB and B is equal to CDE, then the Cartesian product of A and B is denoted as A cross B and is given by first element. Let us take first element A comma C, A comma D and E comma E. Similarly, let us take the second element B comma C, B comma D and B comma E. This is called the ordered pair of, that is called the Cartesian form of A and B. Similarly, if you want to write the Cartesian product B cross A can also be written as B cross A means all the first member are elements of the set B. That's it. C comma A, see here, C comma A, C comma B. Similarly, let us take the second element D comma A and D comma B. And the last element is E comma A and E comma B. E comma A and E comma B. So this is called the Cartesian product B cross A. Let us take one more example. If A is equal to 1 comma 2, another set B is equal to 3 comma 4, then the Cartesian product of A and B is denoted as A cross B is equal to A cross B, that is nothing but 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 4. Similarly 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. Suppose if you want to write B cross A, the Cartesian product from B to A, B cross A is written as the first elements are elements of the set B, 3 comma 1 and 3, 2. Similarly, 4, 1 and 4, 2. This is the Cartesian product of A cross B and B cross A. So, Cartesian product means is a set of all ordered pairs in which first member is an element of A and second member is an element of B. That's it. Hope you got an idea. Now there are some properties on these ordered pairs. If A is a null set or B is a null set, then the Cartesian product A cross B is also a null set. If A and B are null sets, then A into B is also a null set. Suppose if A is not a null set, if A is not equal to a null set or B is not equal to null set, then the cross product, the Cartesian product of A and B is also not a null set. If A and B are null set, A cross B is also null set. If A and B are not null set, then A cross B is also not a null set. Suppose if A cross B is a null set, A is equal to a null set or B is equal to null set. If A, the Cartesian product A and B is a null set, if A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Now, if A is equal to B, then A cross B is equal to A square. If the two sets are same, if A and B are same sets, then the Cartesian product A cross B is always equal to the set A square. Now, if A belongs to A and small b belongs to B and C belongs to C, then A cross B cross C can also be written as A comma B comma C for all A belongs to A, B belongs to B and C belongs to C. Okay. Now, let us take an example based on this. Suppose if A is equal to A, B, C, D, B is equal to B, C, B, D, F, G, C is equal to C, D, E, F and universal set is given, find A cross B dash. Now, first find out B dash. What is B dash? You know B dash is nothing but U minus B. All the elements of the set which are in U but not in B. That is called the complement of B. B dash. All the elements which are in U but not in B. So, A is here it is not there, A, B we have, then C is not here, then D we have, we don't want, E is not there, then F is here, we don't want F, then G is also there, H. So, elements which are not in B are A, then C, then D is also there, E and F is there, H, G is there, H. So, A, C, E, H are the elements. Okay. Now, what is to find A cross B dash? A, what is A contains? A, B, C, D into cross Cartesian product of B dash, A, C, E and H. The Cartesian product of these two, that's it. Okay. A cross B dash is nothing but all the cross Cartesian product of all the cross product of this, that is the Cartesian product. So, A comma C, then A comma E and A comma H. Now, take B, then B comma A, B comma A, B comma C, B comma E and B comma H. Then afterwards take C, C comma A, C comma C, C comma E and C comma H. Then the last element D, D comma A, then D comma C, D comma E and D comma H. So, these are the elements of A cross B dash, that's it. Okay. Now, let us come to the next problem. A intersection B cross A. First, write down A intersection B. Write down the elements in A and B. What is A contains? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D intersection B. What is B? B, D, F, G. B, D, F, then B, D, F, G. Okay. Now, just take the intersection. The intersection is nothing but the common. So, we don't have a B is common, B and C is not there, D. B comma D. Now, what is to find A intersection B cross A? A intersection B is B and D cross A. What is A? A contains A, B, C, D. That's it. Write down the Cartesian product for this. So, first element is B, B comma A, B comma B. Next, B comma C, B comma D. Next, D, D comma A, D comma B, D comma C and D comma This is the Cartesian product for the second answer. A intersection B cross A. That's it. Now come to the third one. A minus B cross B dash. So first find out A minus B. A minus B means elements which are in A but not in B. Write down elements A first. A contains A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D minus B. What is B contains? B, D, F, G. B, D, F, G. So the difference of these two, A minus B, elements which are in A but not in B, is nothing but A is here, not in B. B is also there. C is here, and D is also there. So only A and C. Elements which are in A but not in B is A and C. B and D are same. Now what to write is A minus B and B dash. What is B dash? So B dash is, this is B dash, A, C, E, H, A minus B cross B dash. A minus B is A comma C into B dash. Already we got B dash. What is B dash? These are the elements of B dash. A, C, E, H. A, C, E, H. Simplify this. That's it. This is equal to A comma A comma C, A comma E, A comma H. Next, C comma A, C comma C, C comma E, C comma H. This is the required answer. Now let us come to the last one, this A intersection B whole dash. First find out A intersection B. What is A contains? A contains A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Intersection B. What is B contains? B contains B, D, F, G. Now the intersection of these two is, what is the common? B and D. B is the common. Now what is to find? A intersection B. A intersection B whole dash is nothing but U minus A intersection B. All the elements which are in U but not in A intersection B, except B and D. Write down all the elements of U. So what is U contains? U contains A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So up to H are there. So A, B is already there. C, D is already there. E, F, G, H. This is A intersection B whole dash. To find this A intersection B whole dash, what is A intersection B whole dash? That is nothing but the elements A, C, E, F, G and H into, what is B contains? The elements of B. B contains B, D, F, G. B, D, F, G. Write down the Cartesian product for this. That's all. Let us take A first. A comma B, A comma D, A comma F and A comma G. Similarly take C, C comma B, C comma D, C comma F and C comma G. Similarly write down E, E comma B, then E comma D, E comma F, E comma G, and like that last element. Just I will continue the last element, H comma B, H comma D, H comma F and H comma G. So these are the elements of the Cartesian product of A intersection B whole dash into B. Okay, so you have to take this. A intersection B whole dash is nothing but U minus A intersection B. That's it. Now let us come to the next type of problem. Now what are the problem given? If A is equal to X such that X square minus 5X plus 6 is equal to 0, where X belongs to a natural number, and B is a quadratic equation, X square minus 7X plus 12 is equal to 0, where X belongs to N, and X square minus 9 is equal to 0, where X belongs to a set of integers. These are all quadratic equations are given. Then find the values of the following sets. Now let us find out first A. What is A given? X square minus 5X plus 6 is equal to 0, a quadratic equation. Solve this. Cross multiply. X into X is X square. This is minus into minus, minus into minus plus. You can take the roots as X minus 2 into X minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore X is equal to 2 and X is equal to 3. So therefore the values of A are 2, 3. A contains 2, 3. The natural numbers for the quadratic equation is the roots of this equation is the natural number set A. What is B? B is nothing but for B, for set B, what is the quadratic equation? X square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. Factorize this. This can be written as x into x, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So this is minus and minus, minus into minus plus. The factors are x minus 3 into x minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 4. So therefore the set B contains the elements 3 comma 4, right. The last one, C. What is C contains for C? X square minus 9 is equal to 0. X square is equal to 9. X is equal to root of 9 is plus or minus 3. Since this is a natural z of integers, so we can take C is equal to minus 3 and plus 3. So these are the values of A, B and C sets. Okay. Come to one by one. First one. I'll go to the first. What is the first one? A intersection B intersection C. Now A intersection B intersection C. Find out the intersection for this. What is A contains 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 intersection B. What is B contains 3 comma 4 intersection C. What is C contains minus 3 comma 3. Let us write the common elements in this. What are the common elements? We don't have to. 3 is the common element. So therefore A intersection B intersection C cross A, cross product of A is nothing but the set 3 into A. What is set A contains? 2 and 3. So therefore the Cartesian product of this is 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. That's it. 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 3 is the required answer. Okay. Hope you followed. Very simple. Now let us come to the next one. A minus B cross B. Let us write down A minus B. Elements which are in A. A is 2 comma 3 minus, let me write the elements of A and B. B contains 3 comma 4. Now what is this A minus B? Elements which are in A but not in B. 2 is only the element which is in A but not in B. 3 is already in set A and set B. Now what is required to find is A minus B cross B. So what is A minus B? A minus B contains 2 into B. What is set B? B contains 3 comma 4. The Cartesian product of these two is 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. That's all. This is 2. 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4 is the required answer. Okay. Let us come to the next one. B intersection C. Write down B intersection C first. The elements of B. What is B contains? 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. Intersection C contains minus 3 comma 3. The intersection of these two, the common element is 3. Now B intersection C cross C. What is B intersection C? 3 into C contains minus 3 comma 3. Write down the Cartesian product for this. First element is 3, second element is minus 3. Again first element is 3, second element is plus 3. That's all. 3 comma minus 3 and 3 comma 3. That's it. Now let us come to the next one. A minus B cross B minus A. A minus B. A, what is A contains? A contains 2 3, B contains 3 4. 2 3 minus 3 comma 4. A minus B means all the elements which are in A but not in B is only the element 2. Next B minus A. B minus A. 3 comma 4 minus 2 and 3. B comma A means all the elements which are in B but not in A. 3 is here, 4 is only the element. So write down the cross product for this. A minus B cross B minus A. What is that equal to? 2 comma 4. That's all. 2 comma 4. Now let us come to the next. A cross B minus A cross C. Write down A cross B. What is A contains? A contains 2 3, B contains 3 4. 2 3 cross 3 4. The Cartesian product of this is 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4. Similarly, A cross C. And C contains minus 3 and plus 3. So the Cartesian product of this is 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma 3, 3 comma minus 3 and 3 comma plus 3. That's it. See here. A, yes, 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma 3. 3 comma minus 3 and 3 comma plus 3. Now the difference of these two, A cross B minus B cross C, the difference between these two, we have to take the difference of these two. All the elements which are in A cross B but not in B cross C. A cross B minus A cross C means all the elements which are in first set, not in the second set. 2 comma 3, here it is there, we can leave 2 comma 3. Then 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4 is not here, we can write 2 comma 4. Then next 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3 is already in both the sets, we don't want, and 3 comma 4 is in set A but not in this set, so 3 comma 4. That's all. So A cross B minus A cross C is 2 comma 4 and 3 comma 4. That's it. So this is the final answer. Hope you followed. Okay, very simple. Now let us come to the next problem. That is question number 3 here. If A is equal to 3, 5, 7, B is equal to 5, 7, 9 and C is equal to 7, 9, 11, find A intersection B intersection C cross C. Same as that of the previous problem. Now first find out A intersection B intersection C. Now what is the common in all these? See here 3 is there, 3 is not in the set, 5 is in A and B but not in C, 7 is only the element which is in all the 3 sets. So 7 is only the element contained in all the 3 sets. Now therefore first answer, A intersection B intersection C cross C. So this is 7 cross C. What is C? C contains 7, 9, 11. Just put the Cartesian product ordered pair 7 comma 7, 7 comma 7, 7 comma 9 and 7 comma 11. That's it. This is the first answer. That's it. Okay. Now come to the second one. What is the second one? A intersection B cross B intersection C. First find out A intersection B. A and B intersection. The common in A and B is 5 and 7. 5 comma 7. Then B intersection C. The common in B and C. What is the common element? 7 and 9. Right, 7 and 9. Now the cross product of these two. A intersection B cross B intersection C. So this is equal to the cross product 5 comma 7, 5 comma 7, 5 comma 9. Then 7 comma 7 and 7 comma 9. So these are the elements of A intersection B cross B intersection C. 5 comma 7, 5 comma 9, 7 comma 7, 7 comma 9. Hope you followed. Very simple. Just see the problem and simplify. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem. So same problem. A is 3, 5, 7, B 5, 7 and C 7, 9, 11. First find out A minus B. A minus B means elements which are in A but not in B. 3 is in A but not in B. 5 is there. 7 is also there. Only A minus B is 3. B minus A. B minus C means all the elements which are in B but not in C. 5 is in B but not in C. 7 is there. 9 is also there. So now what is to write is A minus B cross B minus C. The Cartesian product of these two is 3 comma 5. That's it. 3 comma 5. Now let us come to the last in this. Now first find out B intersection C. What is B and C intersection? The common in this. What are the common elements? 7, 9 and 7, 9. 7 comma 9. Common in B intersection C. B minus A. B minus A means elements which are in B but not in A. 5 is there. We can leave by 5. 7 is also there. 9 is in B but not in A. B minus A is 9. So therefore now B intersection C cross B minus A is nothing but B intersection C is 7 comma 9 cross B minus A is only 9. So therefore this can be written as 7 comma 9 and 9 comma 9. That's all. This is the required answer. Okay. Check once again. B intersection C. The intersection of B and C is 7 and 9. B minus elements which are in B but not in A is 5 is here. 7 is also there. 9 is in B but not in A. B minus A. 7, 9 and 9, 9. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem. What is the problem given? Here Cartesian product is given. If A cross B is equal to minus 1 comma A, minus 1B, minus 2A, minus 2B, 3A and 3B, find the elements of the set A and B. So Cartesian product is already given. So just we have to find the elements of set A and set B. Very simple. As you know, A is nothing but all the first elements of the Cartesian product. Set A is the set of all first elements of the Cartesian product. So this contains minus 1, already minus 1 we have taken, minus 2 and 3, that's all. The elements of the set A are minus 1, minus plus 3, and the elements of set B are nothing but set of all second elements of the Cartesian product. Second elements are A, B and that's all, A comma B, that's it. This is the Cartesian product whose elements are A and B. See, if you write the Cartesian product for this, minus 1 comma A, minus 1 comma B, minus 2 comma A, minus 2 comma B, 3 comma A and 3 comma. So all the first member of the Cartesian product is A and all the second members of the Cartesian product is called B. That's it. Now let us come to this type of problem, very important for 2 marks. If 2x plus 4 comma 3x plus y is equal to 8 comma 0, find the value of x and y. So by equality of ordered pairs, you can equate this. 2x plus 4 is equal to 8 and 3x plus y is equal to 0. So from this you can write 2x is equal to 8 minus 4, x is equal to 8 minus 4 is 4, x is equal to 4 by 2 is 2, x is equal to 2. Now from this what you will write? Y is equal to minus 3x, y is equal to minus 3 into x, already you know what is x, x is 2, so y is equal to minus 6. So therefore the values of x and y, therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 6. Suppose if you want to go for verification, if you want to verify, let us take any one of these two equations. Let us take 3x plus y. 3x plus y is equal to 0. What is x? X is 2. What is y? Minus 6. See, 3 2s are 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 is equal to 0. So therefore the answer x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 6 are correct. That's it. So just by equality of ordered pairs, 2x plus 4 is equal to 8, 2x is equal to 8 minus 4, x is equal to 4 by 2 is 2 and 3x plus y is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3x, put x is equal to this value 2, minus 3 into 6, 2 is minus 6, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Let us come to the next problem. If x plus y comma x minus y is equal to 5 comma 1, find x and y. So this is also same by equality of ordered pairs. So you can write x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Solving these two, solving x plus 5, solving x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Let us add this. If you add, what happens? Minus y plus y gets cancelled, x plus 2x is equal to 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, x is equal to 6 by 2 is 3. So here also x is equal to 3. Now from any one of these two equations, from x plus y is equal to 5, what you will get? Y is equal to 5 minus 6, 5 minus, what is x here? X is equal to 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, so y is equal to, so therefore x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. These are the values, that's it. See, by equality x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. Just simplify, solving equation 1 and 2, minus y plus y gets cancelled while adding. If you add, x plus x is 2, x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 2 is 3. Now substitute this value in this equation, x plus y is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 minus x, 5 minus x is 3, 5 minus 3 is 2. So therefore x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So if you want to verify from this equation, x plus y is equal to 5, what is x? 3, what is y? 2, 5 is equal to 5. So the given answer is correct. That's it. Okay, very simple type for 2 marks. Now let us come to the last problem in this concept. If a is equal to 4 6, b is equal to 6 8 10, c is equal to 8 10 12, then verify a cross b minus c is equal to a cross b minus a cross c. Now first find out b minus c. Let us take b minus c. B minus c, the elements which are in b but not in c. Element which are in b, 6 is here but not in, 8 is there, we don't want 8, 10 is also there, only b minus c is 6 and a cross b minus 6. Let us call it as LHS. A cross b minus 6. A, what is A? A contains 4 comma 6, cross b minus c is 6. So this is equal to 4 comma 6 and 6 comma 6. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Okay, see here. Find out B minus C elements which are in B but not in C. B minus C means 6 is the element which is in B but not in C. 8 is here, 10 is also here, we don't want. Then A cross B minus C. What is A contains? 4 comma 6. 4 comma 6 into 6. The Cartesian product of these two is 4 comma 6 and 6 comma 6. Now on the other hand, write down A cross B first. Now A cross B is equal to, what is A contains? 4 6. B contains 4 6 cross B contains 6 8 10. The Cartesian product of these two is 4 comma 6, 4 comma 8, 4 comma 10. Similarly 6 comma 6, 6 comma 8 and 6 comma 10. This is the Cartesian product. Now similarly, what is there? A cross C. A cross C. Cross product of A and C. A contains 4 comma 6 cross C. What is C contains? 8, 10 and 12. 8, 10 and 12. Write down the cross product for this Cartesian product. 4 comma 8, 4 comma 10, 4 comma 12. Next 6 from 6. 6 comma 8, then 6 comma 10 and 6 comma 12. These are the cross product of A cross B and A cross C. Now what is to find? A cross B minus A cross C, RHS. A into B minus A into C. The difference of these two. What are the difference of these two? All the elements which are in A cross B but not in A cross C. A cross B. So 4 comma 6 is here. We don't have 4 comma 6 in the second set. 4 comma 6. 4 and 8 is there. We don't want 4 and 8. 4 and 10 is also there. Then 6 and 6. 4 and 10. 6 and 6 is not here. 6 and 6 we can take. 6 and 8. 6 and 8 is also there. 6 and 10 is also there. Only these two elements. Let us represent this as equation number 2. 4 comma 6 and 6 comma. Let us compare equations 1 and 2. What is 1 contains? 4 6 6 6. 4 6 6 6. So from 1 and 2 we can say that, therefore from 1 and 2 LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS means, so what is say, therefore we can say that this relation A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. So therefore from 1 and 2 we can say that A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. This relation is satisfied. That is verified. That is to be proved. Okay. A cross B minus C is A cross B minus A cross C. That's what we have verified. LHS is equal to RHS. So these are few problems based on a ordered pairs as well as the operations on sets. Okay. That's all regarding today's sessions. Let us meet with the different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.